Hi viewers! Eating fish regularly can be very beneficial for your health. It's a high-protein, low-calorie food rich in omega-3 acids. These acids are very important for a healthy lifestyle and cannot be produced by our bodies naturally. Apart from being a rich source of omega-3 acids, it's also a great source of vitamin D and selenium. Not only is fish highly effective in reducing the risk of heart disease, but various other ailments. In today's video, we'll tell you what eating fish every day will do to your body. From giving you lower stress levels, stronger bones, better eyesight, improved heart health to better brain function, and more. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Less stress. Fish are rich in complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats that can help stabilize blood sugar. This means you are less prone to energy spikes or slumps during the day and more resilient to everyday stressors. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish help to boost your good mood serotonin levels and protect the nervous system. Its B vitamin content also helps to support brain function, energy, memory, and fight stress. Number 2. Improved brain function. Fish has high levels of vitamin D, and research shows that vitamin D plays an integral role in the development of the brain, as well as the organ's proper functioning. Vitamin D has a direct effect on motor skills and control, learning, behavior, and memory. Studies have shown that vitamin D is usually insufficient in individuals suffering from cognitive diseases like dementia, indicating that the nutrient can help protect against these age-related diseases. An increase in dietary omega-3 fatty acids helped improve motor function in those suffering from Huntington's disease. The acids also promote improved behavior, reading, spelling, and reading in children who suffer from developmental coordination disorder. Selenium is another major nutrient found in the majority of fish varieties, and its deficiency in humans contributes to cognitive decline. Enjoying this list so far? Well, keep watching because there's a lot more good stuff coming up. But before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Number 3. Better eyesight. A disease called macular degeneration is the leading cause of vision impairment and blindness, and mostly affects older individuals. There is some evidence that fish and omega-3 fatty acids may provide protection against this disease. In one study, regular consumption of fish was linked to a 42% lower risk of macular degeneration in women. Another study found that eating fatty fish once per week was linked to 53% decreased risk of neovascular macular degeneration. These studies prove that fish is really good for your vision. Number 4. Better heart health. Fish are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and potassium. The omega-3 and 6 fatty acids combined with potassium greatly contribute to heart health. They reduce artery inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and maintain blood pressure levels. This means that eating fish regularly can significantly reduce heart-related medical conditions. These include heart attacks, stroke, arrhythmia, high blood pressure, and high triglycerides. Number 5. Improved thyroid function. One of the most important functions of selenium is to maintain proper thyroid function. A decent portion of fish can provide a considerable amount of selenium. This essential trace mineral protects the thyroid gland from oxidative damage during the synthesis of the thyroid hormone. The cells of the thyroid gland produce hydrogen peroxide, which is used to make the thyroid hormone. Number 6. Lower chances of cancer. Based on the impressive omega-3 fatty acid content, fish is considered a superfood. Medically, it's proven that omega-3 fatty acids can have a profound effect on cancer cells and kill tumors. Certain cancer conditions like skin cancer, prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, liver cancer, UVB-induced skin cancer, and brain tumors can be treated and prevented with omega-3 fatty acids. Number 7. Stronger bones. One of the most prominent minerals found in a lot of fish is phosphorus. This is an essential mineral for human health. It's a vital part of the development and growth of bone matter. It's also a necessary element in the maintenance of your teeth and nails, keeping them strong and durable well into your old age. Phosphorus can also help prevent osteoporosis, which is the degrading of bone mineral density often suffered by people as they age. Number 8. Improved skin and hair. One of the biggest drawbacks to a low-fat diet is you often deprive your skin and hair of the healthy fat it needs, leaving it dull and dry. The omega-3s in fish are exactly the type of healthy fat that keeps your skin looking nourished and your hair shiny. Research has also linked fish and omega-3 consumption to treatment of skin conditions such as psoriasis. Number 9. Better cellular health. Keeping yourself healthy at a cellular level is likely one of the most important aspects of your overall well-being. Protein is absolutely vital to your cell's basic functions, as protein helps cells structure and regulate themselves on their most basic level. Without a sufficient supply of protein, your cells would not be able to function properly, causing your organs to not function properly. The result of this can range from a general lack of physical well-being to death. This is why protein is one of the most vital nutrients for your body, and why eating fish, which is rich in proteins, can be beneficial for your health. Number 10. Help your body produce blood. One of the vitamins found in fish is vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for healthy nerve function, and it's vital for the production of new red blood cells. People who suffer from conditions like anemia are often prescribed a steady supplement of vitamin B12. Many consume a healthy amount of fish in order to help supplement this need for B12 in the hopes of maintaining a healthy production of new red blood cells. Number 11. Lower Alzheimer's risk. Eating fish as little as once a week can help preserve gray matter neurons. They are the part of the brain linked to memory and cognition. A study found that people who eat baked or boiled but not fried fish had larger brains and larger cells in the areas of the brains responsible for memory and learning. Scientists believe the larger brain volume can help lower the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Scientists have also found that lysine, an essential amino acid found in fish, could help in the prevention of Alzheimer's. Number 12. Speed up growth and development. Omega-3 fatty acids are absolutely essential for growth and development. As mentioned earlier, the omega-3 fatty acid DHA is especially important because it accumulates in the developing brain and eye. For this reason, it's often recommended that expecting and nursing mothers make sure to eat enough omega-3 fatty acids. Some fish are high in mercury, which is ironically linked to brain developmental problems. For this reason, pregnant women should only eat fish that are low on the food chain, like salmon, sardines, and trout, and no more than 12 ounces, or 340 grams per week. Pregnant women should also avoid raw and uncooked fish, including sushi, because it may contain microorganisms that can harm the fetus. Number 13. Lower your depression. Depression is a serious and incredibly common mental disorder. It is characterized by low mood, sadness, decreased energy, and loss of interest in life and activities. Although it isn't talked about nearly as much as heart disease or obesity, depression is currently one of the world's biggest health problems. Studies have found that people who eat fish regularly are less likely to become depressed. Numerous controlled trials have also found that omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial against depression and significantly increase the effectiveness of antidepressant medications. Fish and omega-3 fatty acids may also help with other mental disorders, such as bipolar disorder. Number 14. Make you sleep better. Sleep disorders have become incredibly common worldwide. There are many different reasons for this, such as increased exposure to blue light, but some researchers believe that vitamin D deficiency can also play a role. In a 6-month study of 95 middle-aged men, a meal with salmon 3 times per week led to improvements in both sleep and daily functioning. The researchers speculated that this was caused by the vitamin D in the salmon. Number 15. Reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune disease occurs when your immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys healthy body tissues. A key example is type 1 diabetes, which involves the immune system attacking the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Several studies have found that omega-3 or fish oil consumption is linked to reduced risk of type 1 diabetes in children, as well as a form of autoimmune diseases in adults. Is fish a part of your regular diet? Which is your favorite type of fish? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.